The scholars, they said, a human being, when they're going through life, every moment of their life, they're under the influence, not driving under the influence, they're under the influence of one of the names of Allah. And so a person, you will see somebody, he's being honored. He walks into a gathering, everybody respects him. They say, subhanAllah, the Shaykh is here, right? They sit him down in the front. This person is under the name of Al-Mu'izz, the one who gives honor. Allah is showing us, He is the one who gives honor by the presence of this person. Then you see on the street, you see another person, he's got tattoos, he's on some drugs, he's sleeping on the side road, people are looking at him with disgust. He is also under the influence of the name of Allah. Allah is showing us something through this person. He is Al-Mudhil. He's the one that debases people. He's the one that, takes honor away from people. You see some people in a state of prosperity. Wherever they turn, wealth starts rolling in. Very lucky people, right? Some of them, they become arrogant because of it. But whatever business they start, whatever action they get into, everywhere they go to, prosperity just comes their way. He is Al-Mughni. Allah has shown us, He is the one that gives wealth. And then there is other poor people, mashallah, they try everything, nothing happens for them. Nothing works for them. They start a business, it collapses, bankrupt. They get into a company, start a pension plan, the company disappears. They go to the bank and the bank closes down. Right? Whatever they go, nothing works out for them. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is saying, He's the one who gives, He's the one who takes away. He's the one who honors, He's the one who brings people low. And just within our own experience, the scholars, they said, there's two names of Allah, Al-Basit and Al-Qabid. And so some people, they experience inshirah in their hearts, this expansion, bast they call it, the scholars. This state of bast is the state of happiness, joy. And on the other hand, people are experiencing qabd, this tightness in the heart. Some people feel heavy in their hearts. They don't know what to do. Depression comes over. All these are signs from Allah to tell you who is Allah, to take you to Allah, to make you return to Allah. And so everywhere in the creation, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is manifesting His signs. And He's saying, سَنُرِيهِمْ آيَاتِنَا فِي الْآفَاقِ وَفِي أَنفُسِكُمْ. He will show you His signs. He will show them His signs in the horizons, in the world outside of you. وَفِي أَنفُسِكُمْ, and within yourselves. حَتَّى يَتَبَيَّنَ لَهُمْ, until it becomes absolutely clear. أَنَّهُ الْحَقِّ, that He is the truth. There is no truth except Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala.